How to auto start Google Chrome in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, press on Windows R on your keyboard, which will open Run. In Run, simply type in Shell Startup. After you've typed Shell Startup, press on Enter or click on OK. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Now, if you don't find Google in here, simply click on the search bar at the bottom left and then search for Google Chrome. Right-click on Google Chrome app, then click on Open File Location. After you have done that, in here, right-click on Google Chrome, and then you'll find different options. Click on Copy. After you've pressed on Copy, it will be copied. Now, open the previous page, which is the startup page. After you're in the startup page, simply press on Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste it and you're good to go. This is how to auto start Google Chrome in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.